इंडस्ट्री 4.0 हाजेर उलयता आसतना इन ऑल सेक्टर्स सगळ्या सेक्टरांस म्हणजे फ्रॉम स्टार्टअप टू द मेडिकल इन फ्युचर आमकां जे मेडिकल डिवायस जे रेडी करून जाय म्हाका दिसता आतां आमकां पुण्याक आसतलें मुंबईक आसतलें हेची गोंयची गरज पडची ना. Goa should be the as an education hub. Goa should be the tourism capital city. It is a capital of India and also it is a creative capital of India. IT and electronic manufacturing hub Goa जावचे आणि स्पेशली इन IT आणि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मॅन्युफॅक्चराक जर जातले आसत जाल्यार ड्रोन पॉलिसी गरज आशिल्ली आणि ती ड्रोन पॉलिसी आज आमी लॉन्च केली. आता सेक्युरिटी पर्पज जो ड्रोनाचो यूज जावपाक लागला म्हणजे वी आर नॉट अ बॉर्डर स्टेट बट वी आर इन अ कोस्टल स्टेट. इन फ्युचर म्हणजे फाटलो जो सेक्युरिटी थ्रेट आशिल्लो मुंबय सारकेल्या ठिकाणी तो कोस्टलांतल्यानूच जाल्लो. त्या खातीर वी शूड बी द अलर्ट एंड बीइंग अ कोस्टल स्टेट ऑल्सो. त्या खातीर फ्रॉम सर्वे टू सेक्युरिटी पर्पज ड्रोनाचो यूज कशा पद्दतीन करूंक शकतले तो इन एडवान्स सेक्टरांत करपाक लागला. आता सेक्युरिटी पर्पज जो ड्रोनाचो यूज जावपाक लागला म्हणजे वी आर नॉट अ बॉर्डर स्टेट बट वी आर इन अ कोस्टल स्टेट. इन फ्युचर म्हणजे फाटलो जो सेक्युरिटी थ्रेट आशिल्लो मुंबय सारकेल्या ठिकाणी तो कोस्टलांतल्यानूच जाल्लो. त्या खातीर वी शूड बी द अलर्ट एंड बीइंग अ कोस्टल स्टेट ऑल्सो. त्या खातीर फ्रॉम सर्वे टू सेक्युरिटी पर्पज ड्रोनाचो यूज कशा पद्दतीन करूंक शकतले तो इन एडवान्स सेक्टरांत करपाक लागला.
तुएं इलेक्ट्रॉनिक सिटी कंपन्यांक प्लॉट दिवपाक सुरवात जाल्या. गोवा ड्रोन पॉलिसीची घोशणा जाल्या उपरांत IT मंत्री उलयलो. ड्रोन पॉलिसी चालीक लावपी गोंय तिसरें राज्य. हर घर फायबराचो सरकाराचो प्लान.
Har Ghar Fiber is going to be a reality soon, connecting every household with optical fiber cable network. The state headquarters will be connected to 12 Talukas, 191 Gram panchayats, 225 government office building locations, and further providing last mile connectivity to end users at a village level of additional 228 villages. Coming to the electronic manufacturing cluster at Tuem, the plot allotment of the electronic manufacturing cluster is underway. Emerging technology companies from drones, semiconductors to electric vehicles would be encouraged to set up their units. Investor meets held in Bangalore, New Delhi are expected to have dividends in the weeks to follow. We have had roadshows in Bangalore and Delhi, which we have had connect with various companies, which I would call as hot calls, which are wanting to invest in these particular domains. And I'm very happy to announce that we are the third state in the country, Goa being very dominantly coming up with the policy after Telangana and Himachal Pradesh. I'm happy to say that the drone policy in the state which we have launched talks of manufacturing and the usage. Specific details of the policy which we would like to talk about is promoting and incentivizing the drone design, manufacturing, testing and maintenance facilities and training, thus making Goa a drone manufacturing hub in line with the Prime Minister's vision of Digital India and the Chief Minister's vision of Swayampoorna Goa. Imagine a single part of your car which is not available in any store. That same part, if it is not available with the supplier, can be created at this particular 3D printing lab which allows you to use that particular part. म्हणजे सारखे simple version सांगपाक, any part which is required in terms of a prototype for a startup would normally travel abroad to go send this stuff to China, Bangalore, Pune, Bombay. आता त्या करपाची गरज ना.
एडिटिव्ह मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग हबूय उक्तो. मॅन्युफॅक्चरिंग सेक्टरांत गोंयाक खंय पयलेच फावट 3D प्रिंटर मेळ्ळा. सरकार स्टार्टअपाकूय खंय हातभार लायता.
So this 3D printing and all is a need of hour, and now I came to know it is not only used in electronic vehicle or motions only. It can be used even in medical part also.
वखदांची हार्ड वर्क करूंक ड्रोनाचो उपेग जातलो.
The advantage is this: when you use this drone for transportation of even vaccines, there is one study which I have read. They are used for transportation of vaccine. The main advantage is that whenever you transport any medicine through drone, the infection rate is less.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आणि सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.